And there's concern tonight across Kansas with the rise in cases linked to the COVID-19 Delta variant. That's where we start tonight. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brooke Ludington.
And I'm Molly Pat. KSNT News reporter Noah Oxner joins us live now after speaking with health officials in Riley County today, where they were dealing with more than a dozen cases linked to the Delta variant. So Noah, what did you find out?
Yeah, good evening, Brooke and Molly. Health officials here in Riley County have seen an uptick of the Delta variant of the highly contagious COVID-19 virus here in Riley County. So that's leading them to ask folks to take extra precautions leading into the holiday weekend.
You probably have heard of the now multiple variants of COVID-19, and if you haven't, there is specifically one strain that is more contagious, according to Renee Lucas with the Riley County Health Department.
The Delta variant has a higher susceptibility. It's going to be transmitted more easily, and so it's really important that you can get it even if you're fully vaccinated. Vaccines help, but they don't prevent every illness.
However, Lucas did say that those who were vaccinated that did test positive with one of the new variants saw more mild symptoms rather than those who were unvaccinated. She also told me that the Delta variant of COVID-19 can display different symptoms.
So some of the symptoms that we've been seeing in the Delta variant first start off with like a headache, a runny nose, and sore throat. Most people could attribute that to allergies, so it's really difficult to know, but also to know that that's what we're seeing.
Riley County is also stepping up its testing to trace what variants patients in the area have.
But now we are seeing that not just vaccine breakthroughs, there's quite a bit of transmissibility with the Delta variant. So now we're trying to test anybody who tests positive, especially with us. We can save them that extra trip by testing them. They test positive. Hey, do you mind if we go ahead and do a genome sequencing so we can try to figure out what strain of the virus you may have?
And with the 4th of July holiday weekend approaching, Lucas says people should use their best judgment when taking precautions.
I think that people should really just be aware of who they're around. I know some people don't like to ask, hey, what's your vaccination status? So that's okay, don't ask that, but take the extra precautions. Maybe mask up, especially if you're around people you don't know, if you're in tight and closed spaces. Try to stay outside, enjoy the fresh air.
Yeah, the Riley County Health Department says it's important for us to be taking those precautions that we've been taking from the beginning. So wash your hands, keep appropriate social distance in the right situations, wear a mask if you feel like you need to, and most importantly, they told me, get vaccinated. That is the #1 way to prevent getting COVID-19 or to prevent spreading it to someone else. Live in Manhattan, covering local news that matters, Noah Oxner, KSNT News.
All right, thank you so much, Noah.